Hello, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here for the FXAce.com, and we are back again with the one of my favorite trade setups for the week ahead. This week is on the Euro Canadian dollar. And before we actually get into the video, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. In this video, I'm going to go over the reason why I'm looking to buy the Euro CAD this week and give you the breakdown of the position, entry, exit, and stop loss, etc. It is a huge position that potentially could lead to a nearly 1200 pip move to the upside, and I'll explain it now. Okay, so on the monthly charts here, again, if you're new to the channel, I take a top-down approach on my weekly swing trades. I look for demand, buy, support, and resistance levels on the weekly and monthly charts, and then zoom into the lower time frames and look for evidence of momentum slowing down coming into these areas of interest. Okay, so monthly chart here, we're right at this area here on the monthly chart. Okay, and you can see we've just hit this kind of key support area here also. Okay, we've got a support area. You could even say it's down towards that area there on the monthly charts. Okay, but you can see in and around that area where it's touched last week, the 129 area, it is a key support, and we're at this monthly demand buy zone. If you zoom into the weekly charts and just zoom out a bit, you can actually see here, okay, is a weekly level. Okay, given that this huge leg up here, and you can see every time. So I've got a bit of a sore throat today. See, every time it swings high, it creates this new swing low, and then this swing low caused this new swing high, which is what I'm looking at in around here. But I'm saying this is an area of interest. Okay, around the 129 mark. So what I expect to happen if you look at the daily charts as we're coming into the inside this area now. Okay, we zoom in, we get the MACD. Zoom in here. We can clearly see as prices come down inside this area, it's starting to grind to a halt. Okay, you get these sideways movements and another drop, sideways movements and another drop. And you can see this drop here in the daily chart. As soon as it created the new low inside that area and at that support level, we got an instant bam reaction. Unlike this last breakdown. Okay, this last breakdown, it just breaks clean down through. Okay, all indication that we are getting ready for a move to the upside. This divergence signal hasn't appeared on the indicator yet. Well, actually, the indicator hasn't given the signal, but this is a divergence. Okay, price creates new low, yet the MACD is moving higher. Okay, so what I expect to happen is next week is the market possibly just come back down to test this support around the 129 area and then rally off. It could fall a little bit lower, take out the lows before rallying back up. So around 129, I'll be looking to buy this trade. Okay, long-term target for this. Okay, can easily head up if you look at the monthly charts to this area here. Okay, and if you look at the weekly charts, easily come back up towards here. Okay, so around the 140 mark could hold us long term. My weekly trades, I open on Monday and close on a Friday. So I like to have everything closed at the end of the week. This one is a possible one where I may hold super long term, as it is looking likely that this is going to move up. Okay, all evidence as explained in this video. Very simple. Okay, so it's buy Euro CAD at 129.2 or first MACD divergence signal on 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily charts. Okay, stop loss. I'm going to put it stop loss 130 pips. 27.9. Sorry. Take profit. Okay, long-term take profit on this is at 140. Okay, to hold this long term. As always, trade at your own risk. Very, very good setup. We're at a monthly and weekly key area. Also support in there also. We've got divergence signals happening on the daily charts as coming inside this area. Everything's indicating to a move to the upside. Okay, so great setup. If you want to get access to the full list of 20 trades for the week ahead, simply click the link below in the description area. If any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I shall see you on the next video.